Okay.
So my name's Angela Souch. I'm 37 years old and I'm from Oxfordshire. I was diagnosed with Sacroiliitis back in May of last year after having MRI scans. After having 2 injections under guided x-ray, other steroid injections, many physio appointments, and I was also on a lot of pain medication, on crutches, and nothing was seemed to work. The injections didn't help. The physio appointments weren't helping. I was really down at the time and thought, is there no way out of this at all? Anyway, I searched on the internet for anybody that had knowledge of the sacroiliac joints. Luckily, I came upon the Atlas Clinic. I've now been here for the last 3 weeks. I've had 6 appointments. I'm not on any of the pain relief anymore. I'm not on crutches. I can do my general day-to-day activities, which I struggled with before seeing John. It really has made such a difference. So I would recommend anybody, give them a call, come in. I was, to be fair, slightly sceptical to start with. After having all of this treatment privately and nothing worked, having all these injections that they said were going to be fantastic, I honestly couldn't believe when I was reading through the testimonials on the Atlas site that, people were saying after 3-4 visits they felt so much better. But I thought, there's only one way to find out. I'm going to book in and see. Really thoroughly glad I have, because I really honestly feel 100% better than what I did.
So are you being paid for this testimonial, Angela?
No.
No, okay. Because sometimes people can be a bit sceptical about these type of these sort of interviews and testimonials. You came to see us on the back of having how long have you been in pain?
Nearly 12 months now.
Nearly 12 months?
Yes.
And the percentage of improvement that you had after your first visit, was that significant?
Oh, absolutely, 70% better.
After one visit?
After one visit, 70% better.
Okay, and you'd been suffering for how long, did you say?
Nearly 12 months.
Nearly 12 months. So after 12 months and one visit, it made significant difference?
Yes.
Okay. Going forward, at the moment, you are how much improved from when you first came in?
I honestly feel, I've got to say, really, nearly 100%. I don't need the pain relief anymore. I don't need the crutches. I can do my general day-to-day activities, which I couldn't do beforehand. So yeah, it really has made a tremendous difference.
What sort of restrictions had you had before you visited the clinic?
I couldn't hardly do anything for myself. It was awful. Even getting out of bed in the morning was a challenge. Getting dressed by myself was a challenge. Doing just general day-to-day chores, your housework, your hoovering, things like that. I physically couldn't do it because I couldn't stand for long periods of time, and I certainly couldn't bend. And when I was up on my feet, I was having to use crutches to take that weight off my lower back. But yeah, since coming in and having your treatment, I haven't had any of that.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Pleasure.